Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Today's stream was a quick one, nice and easy trading. We made $1,000 in 18 minutes. Go ahead and sit back, relax, enjoy the stream, recap, and I'll see you live the next day. Peace. We're still in the top step, step 2. Slow grinding it. We've completed 3 days so far. Every trade has been on stream. 100% of the trades have been on stream. The account is up $3,400 basically out of the 9K that we need. So there's the current stats. And yeah, we'll keep on grinding here. Happy Tuesday. It's the last day of March. March 31st. No, not March. Hello. It's the last day of May. It's May 31st. Yesterday was a holiday here in the States. It was Memorial Day. Shout out any veterans in the chat right now. I didn't look at the markets at all yesterday. Looks tight. It makes sense. It is a half day of trading. But I hope you had a great weekend. Look at the 5-minute chart here real quick. Yes, got a little block at 48.5. Nice little W. Potentially at the bottom here for a nice little push to the upside. We'll see. Nas needs to pop VWAP, pop that prior 709. If we do that, I think we're going to probably rotate up into the 770s. Yesterday's value area is tough because it was a half day. So I'm not going to put too much emphasis on that. So 620 line in the sand. We quickly, flushed it, bounced off 600 cycle level. If we go back down into 620, break those overnight lows, I think it's going to melt down, but who knows? We'll see. I'm going to be playing it nice and patient and, vibe out from there. Markets are opening here in 9 seconds. Good luck. Be smart, be patient. Let's have a day. Make sure you press that thumbs up button down below right now. Click it. And good luck in your trading. All right, here's 635. Let's see what happens at 620. That's Friday's value area high at 620. Right where it is right now. Melting on through. ES running all of those lows. This is down 20 points on the open so far on the ES. Nas down 88 points or so. Nice and heavy. So what we had talked about pre-market is if we get back inside Friday's value area and we sweep these lows, then we're kind of looking for a downside movement. Like I said, I'm going to be very patient here. I don't want to get chopped shorting lows, but I don't know. It feels and looks heavy as of right now. All right, 5-minute candle closing out right now. That was just literally straight down. Nothing more, nothing less. We rejected VWAP and melted to the downside. That same area that we were talking about on Friday as being a target is pretty interesting right now here as well. My opinion, 576 or so. Guess it's 579, basically right where we closed out. Point of control flip down here as well. I'm going to put one on 576. I might get in a little earlier as well, but I like the daily level off 76. Long one. Obviously have some sellers coming through. I tended to target at Friday's value area high, but I'm going to watch the price action and just kind of figure out if I hate it or like it at that point. Prior to that, we had a 15-point immediate bounce straight up. It was a good reaction right away. All right, 5-minute candles closing out here. Currently down 25 points. Is that right? Yeah, 25 points on this trade. Got a couple more big blocks, 105 on the ES. All right, we're still tapping lows here. I'm about to be at the point where I am not interested in this trade anymore. Sweep of 08 is bad. It kind of feels like the reverse of Friday where it's just like that slow grind. I keep feeling like we have a sign of life and then just get slapped. There's 20. 15 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. See if we put in the 15-minute low or not. Point of control just flipped down to 40. And there's the new 5-minute candle. Quick push. Nice rips. All right, I'm out of that first one for $95, but obviously we added at 27, which is making us most of the money right now. Trying to be patient here. This was just a magical 20s trade. Nice and easy. I knew that 08 was kind of a line in the sand right here, right? That prior swing low. We cracked that. It's kind of free fall. And we held it with the magical 20, so fairly low risk trade there on that ad. Took out basically the break even here to try and let this one run, but I'm obviously not going to let it run too long. I would love to see 622 trade out, which is value area high from Friday. Just a nice rip. Also the 15-minute strat kind of playing out as well, where you put in the low on the 15-minute candle. Trying to pull back a little bit here. Buyer's kind of losing a little steam, it seems like. I'm killing it. It can run. That's fine. Lock in my bag. When we're going through a combine, especially step 2, yes, I want to obviously pass it as fast as I can, but I also want to just be consistent and make those gains, obviously, So being at what $3,400 of profit and I'm trying to get to 9K. Like, I just want to like be consistent with it. So that's, we're at 1,057 on the day. Shout out for watching. Make sure you press the thumbs up button down below. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. Turn on those bell notifications. Market's been open for 18 minutes. Drop our 1,000 ball. Best day this year. Crypto has been the winner so far this year for me. It's official. Crypto is a 100% a strike while the iron's hot sort of situation for me. Trading only Bitcoin. It's been stupid money. Futures has not been providing the same. I can tell you that. What are the magical 20s? Really, like any 20 number, 620, 520, etc. The first test of it is typically pretty good for whatever reason. Same with the magical 80s. So it's like 80 and 20. So here we came down to the 20s. First test down in the 20s. Nice bounce out of it. First test into 620. Nice bounce out of it, you know? We go up into 680, the magical 80s. And we reject out of it. Make a nice rotation. I don't know why. I also exited at the 80s unintentionally. Maybe that's why it's magical. I do love having $1,000 on this account in 18 minutes. Makes it a little less stressful for the rest of the day. That puts us almost halfway. 44. Oh yeah, it'll put us right at halfway. Halfway through step 2. And we are on day 4.